So hello student, today we are going to discuss manual deallocation request. In this section we are already discussed the things related to the allocation, deallocation, memory manager and hierarchy of a memory manager. We also discussed the things which are related to the um reducing fragmentation. Okay, so allocation means what? The allocation request means what? The memory which is to be required to perform particular operation by the program. Okay, for the same, whenever the execution which is to be performed on that variable, so here the responsibility of programmer also to deallocate the memory from that space, because that memory also which is to be used by the another example, another programs. So manual memory management, where the programmer must explicitly arrange for the deallocation of a data. So here we are, allocation means what? We have to allocate the memory, but also we have to deallocate the memory, because for the same time the another example, another program which use the memory. So in C++ and C there are different functions which are available. In C++, constructor allocate the memory, but destructor means what? It destruct the or destroy the memory which is to be occupied by the constructor. Ideally, any storage that will no longer be accessed should be deleted. Okay. Conversely, any storage which that may be referenced must not be deleted. Okay, just keep in mind. So what we are going to delete, what variable we are going to delete, which are no longer required. If there is reference which are available at the same time, we are not able to delete that reference, delete that variable. Unfortunately, it is hard to enforce either of these property. In addition to considering this difficulty, these are the difficulty which are related to the manual deallocation. So these are the things which are related to the manual deallocation request. So we can't say that this variable is not required, this database is not required. If reference which are available at the same time, we can't able to deallocate that. So for the same, we require the garbage collection. So in next section we are going to discuss these things. So what is deallocation? Deallocation means nothing but the process with the help of that we are going to deallocate, we are going to free up this free up this memory. That's why that memory which is to be occupied by the program 1, which is to be used or which is to be accessible by the another program or another program or another what we can say that another code. Okay, so in next section we will discuss introduction to garbage collection and the things which are related to the garbage collection. So we will discuss in that designs of a goal for garbage collectors, reachability and reference counting garbage collector. Okay, okay, thank you.